like to welcome all the guests present. Respectable Mr. Inyoman Suprapta Winaya, Vice Dean of Academic and Planning, the Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University. Respectable Board of Counselor of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Honorable Chairman of the Student Representative Council of the Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University. Honorable Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021, and all participants who attend this event. On this special day, we have some agendas, so allow me to inform some of the sequences of our agenda. The first is greetings from the Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021. The second is a speech from the Vice Dean of Academic and Planning, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University. The third is the appearance of 4 candidates' video and delivery of their vision and mission. The fourth is question and answer session. The fifth is the technical announcement of voting. The last session is closing. Take advantage of the quality of time. Let's start our first agenda. Greetings from the Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021 for Iputu Virgiawan Prasetya. Time is yours.
Thank you for the time given to me. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Namo Buddhaya. Hope you are all in a good health. Please allow me to greet Your Honorable Mr. Suprapta Winaya, Vice Dean of Academic and Planning, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University, Board of Counselors, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, Mr. Wayan Gede Aryastina, Mrs. Linawati, and Mrs. Dewi Wirastuti, Chairman of the Student Representative Executive Board of the Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University, also Executive Committee and all members of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. IEEE Udayana University Student Branch is an international organization under the auspices of the Engineering Faculty of Udayana University. As for this year, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch consists of 48 active members. In 2021, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch has successfully carried out various activities, both internally among members on a university scale, nationally, and upon international scale. I'm honored and very happy to go through and carry out activities with the Executive Committee, all members, support from other student branches, and of course, we are always guided by the Board of Counselors. Similar to the previous year, the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021 has also caused various obstacles for me and the Executive Committee in preparing and carrying out all kinds of activities. But with the enthusiasm and support from the Executive Committee and all members, all of our activities went off without a hitch until the end of the year. Election Day 2021 becomes the means for changing the management of Executive Committee IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. I hope that with the 2021 Election Day, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch can find a chairperson who will bring the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch to be better in 2022 with various activities and innovations. I want to say thank you and keep fighting to all the candidates and also for members. I hope that after the question and answer session, you all are expected to be able to give your best foot for the better IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. That's all I can give for the opening speech. Thank you for your kind attention to my speech. I would also like to apologize for any inconvenience that you might experience during this event. Hopefully, the 2021 election day can bring a positive impact to IEEE Udayana University student branch and also all of us. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Chair, for the wonderful speech. Step to the following agenda. Next is greeting from the Vice Dean of Academic and Planning, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University, as well as being symbolic of the opening today's event for Mr. Inyuman Suprapta Winaya. Time is yours.
Thank you, Hida Karunia. Om Swastiastu, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, best wishes, healthy greeting to all of us. First and the most, praise and gratitude, Angayu Bahagia, Sesanti, to pray for the Almighty God that we can gather here online. Actually, we are not ready for, I think this is not in English, but dear Honorable, the IEEE who attend this great event, Dr. Wayan Gede Aryastino, Prof. Linawati, Dr. Dewi, representative student brand here, Purgiawan Prasetya. We say thank you for being invited to Q&A, the IEEE Election Day 2021, where today is the election of chairman for vision and mission, and followed by question and answer session. Oh, that is very, very good. It's the first time for me. And for us, we hope that who will be the winner, for example, because you are certainly the people who have been chosen to dare to lead the IEEE Udayana University student. All or everyone is good, because you must be concerned with the technology development, and not only that one, because you need to help each other and try to make network oriented, achievement oriented, and the best one here, as your generation, you are doing the multitasking, prefer visual based messaging, and this is very challenge in your generation. That is very nice, very good in your consideration at this time. And I was searching from the internet, IEEE Day Celebration 2021, that held by the IEEE student brand Udayana. You have done very nice event with the name of the leveraging technology for a better tomorrow. That's right. That is, I just searching that one is very, very good moment there. It means that the activity is a global activity which exists in every country and every university, lecturers, and the time it will drive the student. And you have also, the student also have the brand that I think there is no other activity like IEEE in that is very, very good. And I'm very impressed very much for that. And last, as a Vice Dean for Academic and Planning, representing the faculty, we wish you a happy of Election Day 2021 for Udayana student brand, and I hope it will run very nice, in smooth manner. So because everyone or who will be a leader or a chairman for this IEEE student brand in Udayana, it must be very nice person. And then I end my speech, a little speech, by Om Santi 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 Om. Have a good time.
Thank you to Mr. Winaya for the greeting speech. And if there are any respectable invitees who have other activity, are welcome to leave, but before that, let's take picture together. And to all attendees, please turn on your camera and prepare yourself to take picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Thank
Very good,
you
yeah.
all for your participation, and for respectable attendees who have other activity are welcome to leave. To all attendees, entering to the next agenda, that is the upload of 4 candidates' video and the delivery of their vision and mission. Next, we will watch the video appearance of the vision and mission for the candidates. For operators are welcome to show the video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Shalom and Namo Buddhaya. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Maalir Ulya. Usually people call me Al, and I am from Electrical Engineering 2019. Let me tell you about my vision and mission. My vision is making IEEE Udayana University Student Branch as a place to develop talent and soft skills interests so that they can compete in the era of the Industrial Revolution 5.0. And my mission is, first, maximizing the facilities provided by IEEE and IEEE Indonesian sections. Second, improving the quality of member human resources by participating in IEEE's events. Third, build and strengthen cooperative relationship with other IEEE student branch within the IEEE Indonesian sections, study groups, and institutions within the Faculty of Engineering and Udayana University. That is all my vision and missions. Thank you for your attention. See you at question and answer session. Basic vibes. Assalamualaikum.
Hi, my name is Rahel Christina Prasawati. Currently, I'm on my 3rd year in Department of Electrical Engineering, Udayana University. I am also the 2nd Secretary of Executive Committee IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021. In this video, I'm going to talk about my vision and my missions for IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. My vision is IEEE Udayana University Student Branch can be a forum for student members to develop knowledge, be active and critical of technological developments. And I have 3 missions in order to realize my vision. The first one is optimize the potential of members, both hard skills and soft skills. Because I believe that IEEE is a very good place for members to share, especially with fellow members, in order to develop their soft skills and hard skills. The second one is increase the activity of IEEE members to take advantage of the benefit obtained from IEEE membership, because there are so many things that we can take advantage from our IEEE membership. The simplest thing is that we can access a lot of interesting articles from the IEEE website. We can also follow the activities held by IEEE from regional to international. And the last one is establish good cooperation with similar organizations. I believe that collaboration and cooperation with another organization in the same field or different field is a very good opportunity. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andin Atna Safira. My friend usually call me by Andin. I'm 20 years old and currently I'm studying at electrical engineering in energy and electric power system. I have experience in organization, first as a coordinator of the secretarial field in activities National Electrical and Computer Competition, event coordinator for IEEE 2021 webinars, and become a student member of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021, member of Scientific Student Association Electrical Udayana University, and member of the Society of Renewable Energy Udayana University. Next, I will convey my vision and mission. My vision is to create the IEEE Student Brand of Udayana University as an organization that can become a forum for students to develop and innovate, especially in the electrical engineering line. And I have two missions to strengthen my vision. The first is to establish and maintain the IEEE program for the Udayana University student branch in preparing themselves for development of technology and the electricity sector. IEEE has several programs that give members the opportunity to develop their ideas in the field of electricity. And the second, creating IEEE Udayana University student branch as a collaborative component and institution to sharpen knowledge in the field of technology and electricity for each student member. By collaborating with fellow members, they can create new innovation in the field of technology. That's all for me. Thank you.
Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Namo Buddhaya. Best regard to all of us. The Honorable Chancellor of IEEE Udayana University and all the members of IEEE Udayana University student branch. It's an honor for me to become one from the fourth candidate in IEEE Election Day Udayana University 2021. As being candidate of the chair Udayana University student branch in 2022. My name is Imade Anggar Dwi Adnyana. I was born in Tanjung at 14 May 2002. Herby, as the candidate, I have vision and mission. My vision is to embrace and empowering creative innovation in the term of technology for Udayana University student branch. Hence, to fulfill all my vision, there are several program or mission I have created. The first one is increasing relationship between Chancellor of IEEE Udayana University and all the members of IEEE Udayana University student branch. Second is accommodating all of the aspirations of IEEE Udayana University student branch member. And the last is creating connection among student branch in Indonesia. Hereby, there are several programs I've created to join or participate in IEEE event and competition. Thank you for your opportunity and thank you for your time, and don't forget to support me in IEEE Election Day 2022. See you guys.
Okay, let's
Om
welcome the
Swastiastu.
four candidates
Assalamualaikum
of
warahmatullahi
IEEE
wabarakatuh.
Udayana
Salam,
University
Namo
student
Buddhaya.
branch
Best regard to
2022.
all of us.
The first
The
candidate,
Honorable
let's
Chancellor of
welcome
IEEE
Ahmad
Udayana
Malial Ulia.
University and all the members of IEEE Udayana University student branch.
The second candidate is Rahel Christina Prasnyawati. The third candidate, let's welcome Andin Atna Shafira. And the fourth candidate, let's welcome Imade Angardwi Atnyana. After we watch and listen to the vision and mission from all candidates, the next agenda is question and answer session. To all participants, we welcome you to ask questions to the candidates. The first, we welcome Mr. Ide Bagus Manuaba. If there are any questions for the four candidates, Mr. Okay, let's jump to the next. I will read questions that I've got from the counselor, Dr. Wayan Gede Ariastina, for the four candidates. So the first question is, how your programs support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals? So for the first candidate, Ahmad Malial Ulya, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for the question, Mr. Ariastina. Okay, I will answer it. In my opinion, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch can collaborate with charities and non-profit organizations in the field of the 17 goals of the SDG. One of them is a non-profit organization in Bali, namely Maludong, which has a clean earth goal. Thank you. That is my answer.
Thank you for the first candidate, Ahmad Malia Ulya. For the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prasnawati is welcome to answer Mr. Ide Bagus, Dr. Ariastina question.
Thank you, Mr. Aris, for the question. I will try to answer the question. From my point of view, we can support sustainable development goals with simple things, such as committing to increase knowledge or education, change mindset, share with others, see and learn the world, because today, world is increasing sophisticated, so we can use technologies to see the world easily. Held a webinar about SDG and socialization about 17 SDG goals. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you for Ms. Rahel for your answer. For the third candidate, Andin Atna Shafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for the question, Mr. Aris. My answer is to support the program of Sustainable Development Goals, make socialization activity in the health sector, apply clean energy such as using solar power plant of green renewable energy, because the government has been forcing clean energy in 2006. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Andin, for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Angardwi Atnyana, welcome to answer Mr. Aris' question.
It's quite difficult question seems to be here because it's have a correlation with United Nations. But in my own perspective, as a student, we need to develop more in the point of education. I guess in the one of the 7th point that fall in the Sustainable Development Goals, the points number 4 is about education. So I would like to embrace and empowering the innovation and creativity in the term of education subjects. I guess that's my answer. Thank you.
Thank you for Made Anggar Dwiatnyana. And thank you for Dr. Wayan Gede-Aristina for the question. Next, I will read, we welcome the Board of Counselor, Prof. Linawati. If there are any questions for the candidate, Mrs.
Okay, thank you. I haven't give you what's a written question, yeah. So now I would like to ask you your program for all of you. But before that, again, congratulations to all chair candidate. And being a candidate is not easy because you have to have high motivation and also brave to be a candidate. And of course, I'm proud because two of them are girls. And we know that in electrical engineering and generally in engineering faculty, the number of girls is too small compared to the boys. Yeah, and because of that, I'm proud because the girls have really brave to to be a candidate of IEEE Student Branch Chair. And since 2015, maybe you haven't known that the first chair of IEEE Student Branch Udayana was a girl. Yeah, was a girl. And I think 2 years or 3 years ago, the chair also was a girl. So in engineering, the girls, you know that in the number, of course, we have, the small number compared to the boys. But in terms of the quality, we could compete to the boys. Yeah. So both of you, the girls candidate, should be proud of yourself. Yeah. And when I hear your vision and missions, that's too general, and also it seems that nothing what's a realistic program. So I ask all of you, what's the most priority program when you will be elected as a chair of IEEE Student Branch? So only one program that you will be implemented when you elected. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you from Prof. Linawati for the questions. So for the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prasnawati is welcome to answer Prof. Linawati question.
Thank you, Prof. Linawati, for the question. I will try to answer. My main program is to increase the activity of IEEE members to take advantage of the benefit obtained from the IEEE, because there are so many things we can take advantage of from our IEEE membership. We can check a lot of interesting articles in the website IEEE. For the example, we can regularly check our email so we can know, and then we can follow the activities held by IEEE from regional to international. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you from Ms. Rahel for the answer. For the third candidate, Andin Atnasyawira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for question, Mrs. Lina. I will fulfill my vision and mission to develop ideas, innovation, and collaborate with other members and study group in Udayana University. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Andin for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Anggar Dwi Arjana is welcome to answer Prof. Linawati question.
Thank you for the opportunity for me to answer the question. Firstly, I would like to reply what my vision is. My vision is empowering and embrace Udayana University IEEE student branch. So in the term of that, I would like to say a program is about making recognizing Udayana University student branch, especially making a sharing committee with other student branches or visiting entrepreneurship program in other business capital. So I guess that is my answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Imade Anggar Dwi Arjana for the answer. And thank you to Prof. Linawati for the questions. And next, we welcome Dr. Dewi Wirastuti.
Ahmad haven't answered yet.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. So for the first candidate, Ahmad Malia Ulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you for the change. Thank you for Ms. Linawati for the question. According to my first mission in my vision and mission, that is maximizing the facilities provided by IEEE and IEEE Indonesian section. So my priority program is to maximize the facilities provided by IEEE and IEEE Indonesian section to develop the human resources of IEEE Udayana University student branch member. That is my priority program, Miss. Thank you.
Can I have more question, Rida?
Okay, there is more questions.
Yeah.
We welcome you.
Okay, thank you. When I heard all of you, your answer, the program is not realistic for me. Yeah, it's too general. You know what I mean? That I just want to know, you have only 1 year to be a chair. 1 year is not a long time. It's a very short time. And, when you said about your vision, like Rahel or Andin, idea, innovation, and Rahel said that what's increase the activity and also Anggar to recognize to be, Udayana University to be recognized in Indonesia or globally, and also Ahmad, it's not realistic for me. Yeah, it's not realistic. I want to know that the number of the membership, the number of student member this year is really small, only 48. 48 is too small. Yeah. So I want to know what's your program to increase the number of membership during this difficult situation, because pandemic is really difficult, and like all of you, we never met face to face offline, right? Yeah. So this is the first time for me that I don't know all of you quite well, because we don't see we don't see offline. Yeah. So during this difficult time, how all of you to increase the number of members in Udayana student branch? Yeah. That's all. That's the most important thing. Yeah. Only 1 year. You have only 1 year, and it's not long time. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you to Prof. Linawati for the questions. So for the third candidate, Andin Atnashavira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Dina. For the program, if the situation is sudden and the solution is to carry out of the work program during the COVID-19 period, I will divert activities via online, such continuing to hold webinars and all activities online. Thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Andin for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Anggar Dwi Atnyana is welcome to answer Prof. Linawati question.
I guess in the term of pandemic situation, many people doesn't have budget for buying or apply their membership in IEEE. So I guess in the first join IEEE back in the 2020, I was wondering what I'm gonna do here. I don't even know what the benefit of IEEE in the firstly I'm joining. But I guess for in the term of 2022, I will more encouraging people to know what the benefit of joining IEEE. It seems to be a good program since people may student may join IEEE Udayana University student brand if they know what the benefit of joining the organization. So I guess that is the realistic program that I would like to make if I said that. Thank you.
Thank you, Imade Anggar Dwi Atnyana, for the answer. For the first candidate, Ahmad Malia Ulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you. I think the ways to we increase the members, the new members. I think I will promote IEEE more by collaborating with HME or Himpunan Mahasiswa Elektro to introduce IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Like what is IEEE Udayana University Student Branch? What are the benefits of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch? That's all by utilizing all the facilities we have, such as social media and others. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahmad Malia Ulia, for the answer. So for the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prajnawati is welcome to answer Prof. Linawati question.
Thank you, Prof. Linawati, for the question. I think the best way to introduce IEEE is to do socialization by emphasizing the enormous benefit if we become members of the IEEE, because I think benefit is the key to attract new members. We have to explain that there are many things that we can take advantage of, and there are many activities from regional to an international level that we can participate in through the IEEE. Thank you so much.
I have one more question.
Okay, from Prof. Linawati, we welcome you to
Okay,
question.
three of you said that you have promote the benefit of become IEEE member. So personally, for all of you, what's the most benefit you feel and you get during your membership until now? Thank you.
Thank you for the question, Prof. Linawati. So for the fourth candidate, Imade Anggar Dwi Atnyana is welcome to answer Prof. Linawati question.
In the first, I would like to say that I have many advantages for joining IEEE student branch Udayana University. Firstly, I was joined IEEE hack programs that's teaching us to use application named Cisco that connect other IP in the I don't know, I forget about it, but it's a quite good program that not only benefit in soft skill but also getting certificate. Second, I would like to say I have joined other essay competition that some of my citation use that IEEE journal. So yeah, I guess that was Oh, and I forget to say I was having a good connection with others electrical engineering student of Udayana University. Thank you.
Thank you to Mr. Made Anggar Dwi Adnyana for the answer. Next, for the first candidate, Ahmad Malial Ulya, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you. In my point of view, the most felt benefit is the development of soft skills such as leadership and others. Besides that, I have also planned to upload journals, so the journals to IEEE organization, so that I no longer need to upload journals in others anymore. Thank you.
Thank you to Ahmad Malial Ulya for the answer. So for the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prajnawati is welcome to answer Prof. Lunawati question.
Thank you, Prof. Lunawati, for the question. I have participated in one of the activities held by IEEE Region 10 and IEEE Professional, namely CLAP, CLAP, and from this activity, I got a lot of new knowledge from various resources from all over the world. Besides that, I can build connection with lots of new friends from the Asia Pacific region. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Rahel for the answer. For the third candidate, Andin Atnasafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you. I have participated in Cisco networking and I'm trying to take part in the paper competition. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Andin for the answer. If Prof. Lunawati, is there any questions? Any questions?
Actually, I have a lot of questions for all of you. So I would like to dig your personally experience during your membership. So if you can tell the what's if you elected to be a chair, you should tell them your experience, your benefit become a membership, not only like a definition, so general vision. Yeah, it's really not. It doesn't touch the ground, you know. It's really like a theory, you know, and it's boring. It's boring for me to listen your all of you, yeah, because there is no different. We need your unique experience, your personally experience. Why you become a member, and why you would like to promote to the other student, because you have a really a unique experience and you have a really maybe happy and also that you have a really what's not encouraging but challenging experience, yeah, and that increase your capacity building, your personal capacity building, your leadership, your soft skill, and many more. That's all. So that's all from me, because actually I have a lot of questions, but of course, because of the limited of time, we all have the same time, 24 hours a day. So let give the other participant and other counselor to ask you with the challenging question. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Prof. Lunawati for the challenging questions. And next we welcome Dr. Dewi Wirastuti. If there are any questions for the candidates, Mrs.
Okay, thank you. Rida Karunia, yeah. Hi, chair candidate Ahmad, Anggar, Andin, and Rachel. How do you feel? Are you okay? After Prof. Lunawati asked you many questions, very important question for IEEE chair as your duties later on. Okay. From me, before that, we talk always about internally IEEE student brand of the university. But we know also as a chair, you have duties to have to broaden your network with other IEEE SB around the world, especially in Indonesia. I know, maybe you know how many IEEE SB in Indonesia, and please give your point of view of how to reach how to reach you can gain your network to the IEEE SB in Indonesia. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Dewi, for the questions. So, for the first candidate, Ahmad Malia Ulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, Ms. Dewi, for the question. There are many others SB. I don't know for sure how many that, but there are so many collaboration. I think with other IEEE SB or other. And IEEE Udayana University so much collaboration with them, and I think we can collaborate as a media partner and others. Thank you.
Thank you to Ahmad Malia Ulia for the answer. So, jump to for the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prasnyawati is welcome to answer Dr. Dewi Widastuti question.
Thank you for Mrs. Dewi for the question. If I'm not mistaken, there are 30 student branch in Indonesia section, and by being more active in participating in activity from IEEE Indonesia section, we can building relationship with other student branches, such as sharing and comparative studies or making activities together. This all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rahel, for the answer. For the third candidate, Andin Atna Syafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for the question, Mrs. Dewi. My answer is in IEEE in the section is 30 member participate for actively participating in programs for IEEE in Indonesia, like participating in event from other IEEE. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Andin, for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Anggar Dwi Atnyana is welcome to answer Ms. Dewi question.
Okay, from the answer from candidate number 2 and 3, I guess there are 30 of them student branch in Indonesia. But in my point of view, there are some of them most actively. I have seen that like student branch in Universitas Brawijaya, Universitas Islam Indonesia, and Institut Teknologi Bandung. They are the most actively student branch in my opinion. So in the term of that, I would like to have sharing conversation and collaboration with them to embracing IEEE student branch in Indonesia. I think that's a lot of progress needs to be realized about it. Thank you.
To Mrs. Dewi, if there are any questions for the candidates.
Yes, okay, thank you for you all the answer my question. But as Prof. Inawati said before, your program or activity more just like general, still in only in general things. I mean, more in realistic activities, or maybe you have plan how to broaden your networking, because we know that network is very important to your get benefit from the IEEE as a member, as something like that. You must develop your networking. As I know before, in this year you have like conference. Do you know this conference is international conference student in electrical engineering? So if we have more networking with the IEEE SB in Indonesia, so we can gain the participant from them also. That's why we need to always take collaboration with other IEEE SB in Indonesia or outside or globally. Okay, so you need to make sure you have a program to broaden your IEEE SB if you elected as a chair. It's very important to make sure IEEE in SB Uday University make sound outside university Indonesia. This very good things. Okay, I think it's enough for me. I think it's okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the question. So for the second candidate, Rahel Christina Pasniawati is welcome to answer Dr. Dewi's question. I'm sorry. So before, thank you to Dr. Dewi for the questions to 4 candidates. And I would like to inform you that I just got the questions from Mr. Ida Bagus Manuaba, Coordinator of Electrical Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University. And the question is, if later elected as chair, what will you do to advance Udayana University IEEE student branch to be more active at national and international levels? So for the third candidate, Andin Ratna Syafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for the question, Mr. If I elected as chair of IEEE 2022, I will invite members to participate in IEEE programs, such as participating in international webinars, participating in paper competition, participating in IEEE Extreme, and innovating in technology and support each other and be active in the IEEE Indonesia programs. Thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Andin for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Angar Dwi Atnyana is welcome to answer the question.
All right. From my own perspective, there is law on quantity, as Prof. Lina said. There's law of quantity of member IEEE Udayana University. So in the term to increase the program and the quality of IEEE Udayana University student branch, I will make a lot of progress on the term of member quantity. It seems to be realistic. So yeah, I will target and aiming for the 2022 new member and 2021 new member. So I guess that is my answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Imade Angar Dwi Atnyana, for your answer. For the first candidate, Ahmad Malia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you. I think to be more active at the national and international levels is by cooperating a lot and building good relationship with other IEEE student branch at national and international levels, like media partner or studi banding and others. Thank you.
Ahmad Maliaulia for the answer. For the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prachmawati is welcome to answer the question.
Thank you for the question. As I said before, I will support IEEE Udayana University student branch members to be more active in viewing IEEE website and email, because IEEE provides facilities for members to participate in activities from national to international level, such as webinars, bootcamp, coding competition, etc. This can be used by members to be active in regional and international activities. Thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Rahel for the answer. So after we got several questions from Coordinator of Electrical Engineering, Udayana University, and from Board of Counselor of IEEE Udayana University, the next session is question from member IEEE. Members are allowed to directly state your questions to the 4 candidates or via chat room. There are questions to Ibu Tu Sudarma Yoga. We will come to you to ask questions for the 4 candidates.
Hello everyone, the candidate of Chair IEEE 2002. For my question is, what is your motivation to become Chair of IEEE Udayana University, and why we should choose you to be Chair of Udayana University student branch? We can share it. Thank you.
Thank you to Mr. Putu Sudarma Yoga for the question. For the 4th candidate, Imadea Ngarduatyana, is welcome to answer the question.
Like I was said before, in the first time I'm joining the membership of IEEE, especially in student branch Udayana University. I was wondering what the benefit I can get from the IEEE. Yeah, now it's seems difficult. My motivation is I was aiming to be one of the chair from organization in electrical engineering, especially in the term of IEEE. Secondly, why you guys need to choose me as your chair for Udayana University Student Branch 2022 is because I'm an easygoing person. So yeah, that is my answer.
Thank you, Mr. Anggar, for the answer. So for the first candidate, Ahmad Maliaulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Yoga. Okay, my answer is my motivation is to continue. My motivation is to continue and improve what has been done from previous years. Why you should choose me to be chairman for next year is, and I can build IEEE Udayana University student branch to be better. Thank you.
Thank you for the answer, Mr. Ahmad Malaria. For the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prachawati is welcome to answer the question.
Thank you for the question. I will be committed to the better progress of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, and I will try my best to optimize the benefit that members get by being part of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rahel, for the answer. For the third candidate, Andi Natna Shafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for this question, Mr. Sudema Yoga. My motivation is that if as chair of IEEE 2022, I will invite members to be active in programs and take part in international paper and webinar international. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Andin, for the answer. To Mr. Sudarma Yoga, if there are any questions for the four candidates.
Okay, maybe I have one question. What is your target if you are elected as chair of Udayana University Student Branch next year? Maybe in every month you have a target, or in several 3 months you have a target as your program. Can you mention what name of your program to achieve that target of your vision and mission?
Thank you for the question, Mr. Sudarma Yoga. For the first candidate, Ahmad Malial Ulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you. I don't have yet name for my program, but my first program is to promote and introduce IEEE Udayana University Student Branch and collaborate with HMA to introduce that, to introduce our student branch, and so that we can more have member for next year. Thank you.
Thank you for the answer, Mr. Malialuya. For the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prasnawati is welcome to answer the question.
Thank you for the question. My main target is that members can actively participate in activities held by the IEEE internationally. And honestly, I don't have a specific program yet. Thank you.
Thank you for the answer, Ms. Rahel. For the third candidate, Andin Atna Shafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you for the question. My target is for members to keep checking email if there are national international events and continue to develop ideas for participating in paper competition. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Andin, for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Anggardi Ayana is welcome to answer the question.
I view the social media of IEEE Udayana University, and I make a small assumption of the quantity of member Udayana University. It's separately down years by years. So I guess my main program is getting more memberships, like 100 of them. Secondly, I would like to make sharings, name member activity, or MBA. It will encourage other members to join some technical skill or other webinar series from the other student brands in Indonesia. We will having a small sharings section, and yeah, it will going to be twice in my as I'm elected. So they will having the evidence like certificate or screenshots on their joining webinar series or technical program in other student branch or other IEEE activity. It's will be more makes the members active in the terms of increasing the quality of IEEE student branch Udayana University members. Okay, thank you. I guess that is all of my answer.
Thank you to Mr. Anggar for the answer. For Mr. Sudamayoga, is there any more question for the 4 candidates?
Okay, I think it's enough from me. As we know that our members are pay some money to be IEEE members. So if you are as elected be chair of IEEE Udayana University, I hope that can provide many program that unique and can give the benefit to our members of student branch. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Mr. Sudamayoga for asking question for the 4 candidates. So, other member is allowed to directly state your questions or via chat room. For Mr. Virgiawan Prasetya, we welcome you to ask question to the 4 candidates.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Good afternoon for all the candidates. Because the questions from Board of Counselors, Mr. Manuabe and Kak Yoga is already indeed challenging questions. Maybe I would like to ask you guys about how you manage internally the organization. Maybe communication is very important in every organization. If there are obstacles in the delivery in information from several parties, it will cause some problems maybe. And how do you anticipate this case? Maybe. Thank you. That's from me.
Thank you to Mr. Virgawan for the questions. For the second candidate, Rahel Christina Persnyawati is welcome to answer Mr. Virgawan question.
Thank you for the question. I think the way to anticipate this situation is to make sure that the information has been made as clear as possible and sent with a clear purpose to a clear target. So everything must be clear so the information can be delivered properly. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rahel, for the answer. For the third candidate, Andin Atnashafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for the question. I think to anticipate the spread of information that is handled, the division that connect the parties can be divided. With the division for the delivery of information, the parties already know the information. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Andin, for the answer. For the fourth candidate, Imade Anggar Dwi Adnyana is welcome to answer the question.
In the term of communication problem in the organization, I guess we need to make a healthy organization, opening all of the information so there is no close information to them. So they will know what our problem is, what the organization problem, and the other like that. So in the term of this situation, I would like to remedy this. So I guess the best choice to be make the good communication between all members of IEEE student branch Udayana University is making 2 directions, sharing section and other like that. Thank you.
to Mr. Imade Anggar Dwi Adnyana for the answer. For the first candidate, Ahmad Malial Aulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay, thank you. My answer is miscommunication will always happen because everyone will have a different understanding. But to overcome that, the most important thing is a good coordination for each member, and always immediately correct any miscoordination that has occurred. Thank you.
Thank you for the answer, Mr. Ahmad Malial Aulia. To Mr. Firgawan, is there any question for the 4 candidates?
Thank you for the answer from all the candidates. That's enough from me.
Thank you very much to Mr. Firgawan for the asking question for the 4 candidates. Next, we got a question from Igede Agus Aditya Putra. The question is, how do you introduce or deploy IEEE Udayana University student brands to faculty and university environments? For the 3rd candidate, Andin Atnasyafira, we welcome you to answer the question.
Thank you for the question. My opinion is the way to introduce IEEE in the faculty and university environment is to convey the advantage you get when you join as a member, like distributing pamphlet of information about the IEEE.
Thank you to Ms. Andin for the answer. For the 4th candidate, Imade Anggar Dwi Adnyana, we welcome you to answer the question.
Okay. I would like to say to be more to introduce or deploy IEEE student brands Udayana University in the faculty and university environments is to making a series of introduction groups, study groups with other in the faculty like Paxi and robotic, because they are having the same subjects like us, embracing in the term of electrical, and information. So yeah, the collaboration is the key of introduction and deploy our organization. Thank you.
Thank you to Imade Anggar Dwi Adnyana for the answer. For the first candidate, Ahmad Malial Aulia, we welcome you to answer the question.
My answer is I will make an product idea and benefit that will be obtained by participating in the IEEE Udayana University branch and collaborating with other institutions in the faculty and university to promote the IEEE Udayana branch. That is my answer.
Thank you to Ahmad Malial Aulia for the answer. For the second candidate, Rahel Christina Prasnawati is welcome to answer the question.
Thank you for the question. As I said before, from my point of view, the best way to introduce IEEE is to do socialization by emphasizing the enormous benefits if we become members of the IEEE. Socialization can be done directly or through social media. We have to explain that there are many things that we can take advantage of, and there are many activities from regional to an international level that we can participate in through the IEEE. Thank you.
Thank you to Ms. Rahel for the answer, and thank you for candidates to answer the question. To all members of IEEE, if there are any questions, you can ask directly to the candidates or ask via chat room. there is no question. Now we jump to the next, the technical voting. To Jonathan Oliver Ken is welcome to explain the technical voting.
Okay, thank you for the time. Thank you for the time given. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Oliver Ken. I will explain how to vote in this election day 2021. Before that, let me share my presentation. Okay. These are the explanation about how to vote the candidates in election day IEEE Udayana University Student Grants 2021. First of all, please make sure that only the student members of IEEE Udayana University Student Grants can vote the candidates in election day 2021. Next step is voting can be done by accessing voting.pitools.ieee.org. The display will be shown as appear above. Next step is sign in into your account using your respective email and password. Next step, after signing in, please choose click here to vote. If the display doesn't appear as shown above, you can contact Firdiawan Prasetya. Next, perform a vote to choose the candidates you think is the most suitable as chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Grants for the next period. After that, click complete ballot. Next, the display will be appear as below. And finally, the voting starts at 19th of November 2021 by 8 p.m. until 21st of November 2021 by 3 p.m. That means that we can vote from today until 21st of November 2021 by 3 p.m. Okay, that is all about how to vote the candidates in election day IEEE Udayana University Student Grants 2021. Thank you for the time.
Thank you very much to Jonathan Ken for the explanations of the technical voting. To all attendees, I cannot believe we are already at the end of the Q&A Election Day IEEE Udayana University Student Grant 2021. Thank you all for your participation. And once again, I would like to remind that the voting sessions will be closed before the inaugurations that is on the 21st November at 3 p.m. I, on behalf of the organizer committee, say thank you for all of the participants who have attended our event today. For the end of our event, I close it with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Nama Budaya. Best wishes to all of us.